Hey there, and welcome. I am so happy you're here with me today. We are about to go on a huge adventure through a whole day packed with fun, learning, and lots of play. So, are you ready to jump in? Let's do it.
Wow, just look at that bright, smiling sun. That's kind of how our day is starting too. Super bright and full of possibilities. Come on, let's get going and see what awesome adventures are waiting for us this morning.
Okay, first things first. When we wake up, it's time to say hello to the world and everyone in it. Let's talk about how we greet a brand new day. So, when you see somebody in the morning, you can give a big wave and say, "Good morning." Or here's another way. You can put your hands together, just like this, and say, "Namaste." Hey, why don't you try it with me? Ready? Good morning. Now, namaste. Awesome job.
And now, it's time for a little action challenge. Yeah! To get all set for our big day, there are a couple things we gotta do. Can you pretend to comb your hair? Swish, swish, swish. Great. Now, can you pretend to eat a yummy breakfast? So delicious. Okay, you're all ready to go.
All right, now that we're all ready, it is definitely time to get our bodies moving. So stand up if you can, find a little bit of space around you, and get ready to sing and dance right along with me.
Okay, here we go. Let's sing it and do the actions together. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Stamp a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Yes, you've totally got it.
And let's finish our song. Ready? Dance a little, twist a little, shake your hand. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Shh. Wait, just kidding. Wake up. Phew, that was so much fun.
You know, after all that amazing singing and dancing, I think it's the perfect time to head outside and play a game. And oh, I have the best one in mind. We're gonna play hopscotch. Have you ever played it before? It is such a cool game of hopping and balancing. Let's figure out how to play it together. Okay, the rules are super simple and really fun. Let's go through them. First, you jump on one foot in each box. You start at number 1 and hop, hop, hop all the way to number 7. Once you get there, you turn around and hop all the way back. Now, here's the trick. Try your best to stay inside the boxes, because if you step outside, you're out. It's a really fun challenge. You know, playing hopscotch is actually a lot like learning something new. Think about it. You don't do it all at once. You take it one hop, or one step, at a time. Let's keep that in mind for our next activity. So, just like we did in hopscotch, we're going to learn about letters and their sounds. You guessed it, step by step. Let's jump right into our first letter sounds. Our first sound is F. It's kind of like you're gently blowing out a candle. F, F. You try it. F, F. Perfect. And our next sound is G. This one comes from the back of your throat. G, G, G. Give it a go. G, G, G. And look what we have here. With that F sound, we have a clever fox and a swimming fish. Can you say those with me? Fox. Fish. And with our G sound, there's a friendly goat and a happy girl. You're doing an amazing job. Let's try 2 more sounds. You ready? First up is the K sound. It's a really quick sound from the back of your mouth. K-k-k. And now for the S sound, which sounds just like a little snake. S. You are a natural at this. So what starts with these sounds? Well, with K, we have a kettle for tea and a kite that flies way up high. And with the S sound, we have a shiny spoon and a beautiful, graceful swan. See? We're learning all these new things one little step at a time. Phew. After all that action and learning, I think it's time to relax for a little bit. So let's get comfy, settle in, and listen to a really sweet story about a family of sparrows. Once upon a time, there was a mama and a papa sparrow who decided it was time to build a home. They found the perfect, safe spot on a tree branch, and working together, they made a beautiful little nest. And when they were all done, it was perfectly soft and warm inside. Well, soon after that, Mama Sparrow laid 3 teeny tiny eggs in their cozy nest. They waited and they watched, and then one day, crack! The eggs broke open and 3 little baby heads popped out to say hello to the big, wide world. Papa Sparrow would bring food for the babies, and they grew bigger and stronger every single day.
and they grew and grew until finally, one day, they were big enough to hop right out of the nest, spread their wings, and fly high, high up into the big blue sky.
You know, that lovely story about the sparrow family really reminds me of our own families. Families are so, so important. So, what do you say we sing a song all about them?
Are you ready to sing along with me? Here we go. Mother, mother, will you play with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. Now let's sing for father. Father, father, will you eat with me? Yes, I shall. Yes, I shall. We are a family. What a beautiful song.
Well, it looks like our fun day of learning is starting to wind down. You know how we say good morning when the day starts? We have special greetings for when it ends, too. In the evening, we say good evening, and then right before we go to sleep, we say good night. The moon is out and the stars are starting to twinkle. It's time to get all cozy and rest up for another exciting day tomorrow. Good night, everyone.
And hey, before you drift off to sleep, let's think for just a second about our wonderful day. We sang songs, we played hopscotch, we learned new sounds, and we heard a story all about a family. So, what was your favorite part? Which part made you smile the most? Thanks for spending this amazing day with me.